Hello everyone. So in this video lecture I'm going to explain you how to manipulate the string using pointer. Okay, so let me first declare one array of character. Okay, let's say name. Okay, name which is of size, let's say 30. Okay, now after that I am going to declare that is correct. Okay, after that I'm going to declare one variable, that is count, which is initializes 0. After that I. Okay, now let's take input. Okay, let's enter your name, and I am using this gets function to store this particular string. Okay, and in which I just need to pass name of array, string variable. Okay, now what will I do? Now I will use a while loop for what? To calculate the length of my string. Okay, length of this particular string. Okay, before we forgot important point. Now as I want to access this string using pointer, there should be one pointer of character type. Okay, so I am just declaring one character variable, that is cptr. Name of this particular pointer is cptr. Why c? That is why c? Because this pointer variable points to the memory location in which character is stored. Okay, why character? Why it can point out to the memory location saves character value? Because you are declaring it as a character. Okay, so if I say it is like that, okay, then that means it will point to the memory location in which integer value is stored. Okay, but we are dealing with string right now, that's why it is character. Okay, so what I need to do over here is cptr is equal to name. So what will happen now? You just look at this. Okay, so you can see I have declared this array. Let's say I have initialized it with parallel. Okay, this is just example, and you can see in memory location, when we see memory arrangement of this particular string, at the last, after the last character, there is null pointer. Okay, which is last character, and you don't need to specify it just by default. So when I say only name, that means array of my string, array of character name, so it point out to particular memory location. No, it not point out to the value, it points out to the memory location. Okay, if I want to access value, then I need to specify index, let's say name 0. If I want to access a, then it should be name of 1, name of 2, like that. Okay, so when I just reference name, that means it indicates to the memory location. And when I assign something like this, name cptr is equals to name, so this particular memory location is saved. That means it is value of this pointer. Okay, so this character pointer point out to the same memory location. Okay, so this is I have just assigning name address to the character array. Okay, now let me give you a condition over here, but we will discuss just a couple of minutes. Now what I want to do is, here you can see this particular pointer points to the this memory address. Okay, so when currently this cptr is pointing to this p. Okay, so now if I increment this, let's say cptr plus plus, if I increment it, so what will happen? It will be just increment like this, and now it is pointing to a. Okay, so I have my first count was p, like this. Okay, so p, after that a, after that r, just like that. So I am just counting the characters. Okay, so another thing that I will do right over here is count plus plus. You can see over here I have taken one variable count is equals to 0. So what will happen when this it is iterated first time? Okay, so this is first time, it is p, so count plus plus, that means it is 1, after that 2, after that 3, after that 4, after that 5. Okay, and once this CPTR points to this null character, we should stop counting. Okay, just mark my word, once this character pointer points to the null character, that is /0, okay, we should stop counting. So how can we define condition over here? So we just need to write CPTR does not equals to /0. Okay, you can see this star CPTR, that means value of particular memory address. Okay, when I say only CPTR, that means I am referencing this memory address, but when I say star CPTR, then I am referencing to this value at this particular memory location. Okay, so while this value does not equals to null character, we are just performing increment operation on this count variable and this CPTR pointer. Okay, so originally, okay, once I write this statement, the scenario is like this. Okay, after that it comes our while condition. So is this CPTR is null? So no, it is not, that means condition is true. Okay, so count plus plus and CPTR, it will be incremented, so this will be 1, and after that it will be incremented by 1. So right now the case will be like this. Okay, again loop will be continued, and again this character is not null character, so it is incremented, so it will become 2 and it will points to the R. Again it is not null, increment, again it is not null, okay, increment, after that again it is not null, so increment this operator CPTR also. So now if we check this condition right over here, okay, in this case, then what will happen is this value specified by this pointer is not equals to null character. No, it is null character, that means your condition is false, okay. So you can see when this while loop is terminated, this CPTR points to the last, that is null character. Okay, so after that what I need to do is, okay, first of all let me print out something. Printf, okay, length of the string %s is %d. okay, so what I need to do is in name and count. Okay, that's it. Let's compile this program. Okay, and run. Enter your name, let's say Parul. Okay, length of the string Parul is 5. Okay, that is, we got the answer, length of the 5. Now what I want to do, I want to print out reverse of the string. Whatever I enter, I want to reverse of the string. Okay, so how can I get that? So let's see that part also. Okay, before that let me do some formatting. Okay, now first of all what I will do, CPTR minus minus. Okay, I will just put line this, so it will points pointer to the last character of the array. Okay, so once I do this, what will happen? You can see that was the last condition, and once I decrement, so decrement, that means go to previous. Okay, so it will happen just like this. it will points to the last character, because when this while loop is terminated, the scenario is like this. It was pointing to null character, okay, but I want to point it to the last character, so that's why like this. Okay, so right now it is pointing to the last character. Now what will I do? I will take one while loop, and inside this while loop I am putting condition like this. If it is less than 0, then what you are doing, I am just printf %c, and over here star cptr, okay, star cptr, and after that I will just decrement the count and also to decrement of the pointer. Okay, save this and run this. Compile successfully. After that, let's say parallel, length of the string parallel is 5. Okay, we have made 5 is okay. Here we have to put something, I don't know, but I need to practice more, because I always ended up with error. Okay, got the answer. Length of the string parallel is 5, and you can see here is the reverse of the string, PARUL, which is reverse of this is LURAP. Okay, now if I want to mention something like this, then I can also do printf reverse of the string, okay, percentage s is, and I have to just put something like this, save. Okay, compile the program and run. Let's say programming with parallel, and you can see length of the string programming with parallel is 22, and reverse of the string programming with parallel is like this. Okay, so this is how you can, it is very easy. You just need to have clear concept of array, and just increment and decrement operation you are performing using while loop or whatever looping control you want to do. Okay, so that's all about string manipulation. There are many other programs for you to practice, so just go for that. I hope you understood this concept, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.